When I came up with this idea for a 5-Minute Friday, I had no idea this would change the way I've been creating missions and save me hours and a lot of frustration in the process. So stay tuned for Browser Wars. So in today's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to be comparing some of the more popular browsers to see which ones are best for planning. I'll be comparing 4 different browsers across both Windows and Mac and showing you which ones will work best for your system. To do that, I've created a nightmare mission that includes waypoints, orbits, and maps all in one mission. In reality, you would never normally combine all of these things in one, but for comparison purposes, it works great. I then use that mission to run a mission preview and see how long it takes. So what are the contenders? First, we have Chrome, which is the most popular browser in the world today. Then we're also going to mix in Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, which is the replacement for Windows Explorer. I'll also be running this on 2 operating systems, both Windows and Mac. My Windows machine is an i7 processor, but it's also nearly 10 years old. However, I did compare it to my son's late model i7 laptop, and it still holds up. The Mac is a MacBook Air with the M1 processor. I've been a PC guy my whole life, but honestly, these M-series CPUs from Apple just kick butt, and I don't think you'll find anything in this price point that compares on performance today. So, without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to show them all running side by side and speed them up, or this will never be a 5-Minute Friday. So let's go. And there you have it. Whether you're on a Mac or a PC, the fastest browser by far was Firefox, and Chrome, the most popular browser in the world, coming in a distant last place on both platforms. As a person who uses Chrome most of the time, I can tell you that I've now switched to using Firefox for all of my planning, and it's made a world of difference. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. As always, I love to receive your comments, so feel free to let me know your thoughts. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any future episodes. Bye-bye.